If you have any plan to invest in Shibano, or if you are already holder of Shibano, then absolutely this video is going to be very important. You need to watch this video and understand what I talk you, because these talks about, especially my friend, about the Shiba, and absolutely the expert of Shiba cryptocurrencies, my friends, tell us these things. So let's see, my friends, to what tell us experts about Shiba token. But kindly, before I start this video, subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for this type more informative videos. So if you can see, my friends, this time investing in Shiba and SHIB coin, you might lose your investment. Shiba coin already has some prediction. Here's what experts say. So this is very important, my friend, to what experts says. Kindly subscribe this channel for more this time. And total, this time you can see here, Ethereum burned about 410.24 trillion SHIB token over the weekend, which will be valued at 6.74 billion. Oh my goodness. Per Benzenga, he said it was done to make sure he didn't control the market of SHIB coins and an investor. Absolutely, my friend. This all everything is in the hand of my friend, especially in the holder, especially in the short time holder, because if he want, my friends, to if he stop selling, then absolutely they're moving upward, they completely go in the moon. But definitely if they are starting selling, then absolutely they fails down. So let's see the more details. I do not want to be a locus of power of the kind, he said, according to Yahoo Finance. So you can see here this time. What does this mean for SHIB coin? According to Fact Street, which reports on cryptocurrencies, the decision received received heavy positive feedback from social media. Absolutely, my friend, this coin is completely going the moon, and the main reason is that they promote in social media, especially Elon Musk promotion. So after Elon Musk tweet, many speculators suggested the Ethereum's transaction could not be fuel the cool and Shiba Inu to the moon. Shibano to the moon. Yes, absolutely. FX Street reports. Wow, this is going to be very good report. The decision to burn so many SHIB coins makes each one available rarer with jacks of the price. This is very information. You can see here the point. However, considering the meme based coin or based almost exclusively on speculation or particular action does not always mean that a value will skyrocket. So according to FX Street, yes, absolutely, my friend, let's check out the more detail, and I hope, my friends, this information is absolutely very helpful for all of you. So my friend, absolutely the next information about Dogecoin. So if you want to more information, I make more this type videos about other cryptocurrencies, about Dogecoin, about Shiba. So absolutely you tell me in a comment box. Absolutely I give you more information and news about these coin. Thanks for watching, every holder. Kindly subscribe this channel and press bell icon for more this type informative videos.